TFNN. Headline News Update.
Hi everyone, Basil Chapman here, sitting in for Tom O'Brien, and the Dow is up 232 at 24,084. It was up 1,200 points in the futures overnight, and then actually went negative, and now it's trying to come back. In the sentiment area, if you're looking at a lower low today, just fractionally lower than yesterday, and in the S&P, that says the volatility index, if it's going to do its job by saying, I'm kind of overbought here. I went to 62.12. That's above the 50.30 high back in February of 2018. This should be some kind of a little topping action here as the VIX pulls back. And by the end of the day, if there is some kind of a rally with the Dow maybe up 420 points, the S&P, which is only up 30 right now, can go to up 42 points. And the VIX index trading at 52.13, 10 points off yesterday's high, can actually start to pull back into the 49 area or lower. That'll be a good sign. But if it stays up here, you might have yet another day of attempting to make some kind of a low. As I said, the S&P at this particular moment, the S&P is up 32 at 2778, made a fractional new low, round number 2743. We'll see if it's able to get into the 20. It really needs to get into the 2792 area, and it needs to do that fairly soon. The QQQ NDX 100 trading right now up 3.35 at 196.88. This is the one that doesn't have Boeing in it. It doesn't have other things. So it should actually do quite well, but it's struggling, and it's trying. It did go above yesterday's high. So you want to see this thing not at 196 at 3 o'clock this afternoon Eastern time. You want to see it up in the 198.30 area or higher. That'll be a big thing, but so far it's struggling. IWM, just very weak. The Russell 2000 remains very weak. Gold has pulled back very sharply. It's down 21 from its high this morning. It's down from the 1704 high of yesterday. So if the gold starts to pull back sharply with the TLT, the bonds pulling back sharply, had a high of 179.70 yesterday. That's amazing. Trading right now at 169.58. If it can start to pull back to the 165 area a little later today, because the market's rallying, that's going to be good. And crude oil is rallying, but it needs to get much higher. It's at 33.65 in the continuous contract. It needs to get to the 35.50s by Wednesday or Thursday. Have a wonderful day. Stay tuned for Steve Rhodes and Dave White and Tom O'Brien this afternoon.